today for the Bitcoin price. And guys, you will not believe me. I am coming from the airport right now. I dropped someone off and the coincidence is insane. I met Donald Trump. We had like a 30-40 second discussion about Bitcoin, but what he said made me double up on my trades. I had 40 million US dollars in long positions on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on Solana, on, I will talk about that, of course. And they are still all of them profitable, but I doubled them down to 80 million US dollars. And I want to talk about why. What did he say? At first I thought it was a joke, but no. What did he say? What made me double down? What are my price targets? And we are going to go straight into the charts. You will not believe me, dear ladies and gentlemen. I couldn't believe it myself. Let's talk about that. And first I want to go straight into the charts, of course, before I talk about my, man, I'm still shaking. Seriously, it's absolutely crazy. And by the way, dear ladies and gentlemen, it's the 1st of April. Tell me seriously who of you I got down below. Of course, these trades are real. I will talk about my trades, don't get me wrong. I will talk about my price targets. But I did not meet Donald Trump at the airport. It would have been amazing, of course. Let me know down below who of you I got with this beautiful story here. And now, well, let's talk about the charts. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about my trades. And here on the daily candles, well, we're in a downtrend. Bitcoin is bearish, right? We even had this bear flag which broke down to the downside. I can tell you the trend is our friend until the end. So now the trend is the friend of the bears. The question is, when is the end actually approaching? And come on, guys, leave me some comments down below. I could imagine that maybe I didn't get anyone, but for the last years, every year I'm selling all my Bitcoin, and I wanted to come up with a new April Fool's joke. I hope it's fun. I don't know. Give me some feedback, like the video or something. But this is important. This is serious. This is not April Fool's. The decision whether this trend might change might come a little bit earlier. So yes, we need to break above 89,000 US dollars for the daily trend to change, to create a higher high for Bitcoin after we created a higher low here. So far nothing is confirmed, but potential harbinger for this trend change could come if we are getting a daily candle close, and I'm here to tell you just in time, above 86,000 US dollars. This downward sloping resistance is a strong resistance. And yes, I did not scale my trades higher from 40 to 80 million. They are still at 40 million, but I am keeping them open. And if we are changing the trend with a new higher high on the daily candles, I will scale these trades up. Otherwise, I will remain them as they are. The Bitcoin trade still, just $53,000 in a profit. Solana, $200,000 in a profit. Ethereum, 80 Ethereum in a profit. And the long-term Bitcoin trade, 5.4 million US dollars in a profit. That is everything already for today. Let me know down below if I got you. What are your expectations? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? And we are going to see each other very soon at the next of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.